Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious chicken and broccoli stir fry. So for this, we are going to be using 1 large onion and half green bell pepper, half red bell pepper, and I have 1 carrot that I thinly sliced. You can see it's nice and thin so that way it can cook nice and easy. And I have 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, and I have 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, and I also have 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I have half a cup and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I'll be using 1/4 cup of my oyster sauce, and I'll be using half a cup of water and some broccoli florets. You can use as little or as much broccoli as you wish. If you want, you can even add some snow peas to this if you wish. And I will be using 1.5 pounds of small cut chicken breast. And of course some salt and pepper to taste. And I'll also be using some sesame seeds just for garnish. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of my soy sauce and just put it right in the meat, which I already washed, of course. And I'm going to take my garlic, put right in there to create a little marinade for the chicken. And I'm going to add a little bit of that sesame oil. If you want, you can use peanut oil, or you guys have seen me use vegetable oil if you don't have peanuts or sesame oil. And I'm going to use a little bit of the cornstarch just to coat my chicken and save the rest to thicken up my sauce. And we are just going to mix everything in, make sure every piece of that chicken is well coated. And there's no need to add any salt because, as you guys know, soy sauce is pretty salty. And then to that, I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. And mix that in as well. And you want to put this in the fridge for a good 30 minutes, just so all the flavors can get into the chicken. So meanwhile, I'm going to take another bowl and put in the rest of my cornstarch. I have a beef and broccoli stir fry in this channel, and a lot of you requested that I make the chicken version. So here's the chicken. Hopefully you guys like it. Since you guys request, please share the videos with everybody you know. So I have the cornstarch ready. So I'm going to put that to the side, and then now we can start making our chicken and broccoli stir fry. Alright guys, I went ahead and turned my stove on to medium high. I'm gonna go ahead and add my sesame oil. You want your pan to be nice and hot for this, guys. So now to that, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken. You want it to be sizzling hot. Just add every piece of the chicken. And now you want to go ahead and cook this for about a good 5 minutes on each side, just to make sure our chicken is properly cooked, because we do not have time to eat no raw chicken, because ain't nobody got time to go to no hospital. So you want to make sure that your chicken is properly cooked. Again, a good 5 to 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side. So I'm going to let it be, and then After 5 minutes, I'm going to keep stirring it. Alright guys, now you want to go ahead and add your onions to this and your peppers and also your thinly sliced carrots. And then you want to stir fry this for a good 5 minutes just to get the carrots to cook a little bit. At the same time, we do not want our vegetables to be mushy at all. Just keep stir frying it for a good 5 minutes. Okay, now you want to go ahead and add your broccoli. This already smells amazing. And I haven't even added any soy sauce to this or anything. Guys, if you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram and go follow me on Twitter as well. And please go like and share my Facebook page and come snap with me on Snapchat. I will leave all the links down in the description box for you guys to check out. So all I'm doing is making sure I get some heat through my broccoli because my broccoli was frozen. And if you are using fresh broccoli, that's fine also. So I'm just going to heat this through for about 2 minutes and then we can start adding our sauces. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and add my soy sauce. Guys, this is a great way to eat your vegetables because I have peppers, onions, broccoli, and carrots in here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. This sauce is seriously what makes this stir fry a stir fry to me. But if you don't like seafood, you definitely don't have to use it. It will taste delicious without it as well. But to me, this is what makes my stir fry a good Chinese buffet style or restaurant style stir fry. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that in. Oh, this smells amazing. And I'm not even exaggerating. It smells amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat those liquids through as well. Let them steam my veggies and chicken. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. And of course, I am not going to add any salt at all because again, that soy sauce have plenty of sodium. So I'm just going to let it heat through for about a minute and then we can thicken it up with our cornstarch. All right, so now I'm going to take half of my cornstarch liquid because I don't want it too thick. Again guys, I do have a beef and broccoli video up on this channel. I will leave the link for that video down in the description box. And I also have a shrimp fried rice video up on this channel as well, which I will leave the link for that down in the description box also. So now I'm going to let this thicken up a little bit and our chicken and broccoli stir fry is pretty much done. Okay guys, my chicken and broccoli stir fry is pretty much done. As you can see, that gravy is nice and thick. It will go so good with some white rice. And if you guys want a rice video, I do have a white rice video up on this channel, which I will leave the link down below as well. But now all I'm going to do is take some and taste this with you guys and put it over some white rice. I want to make sure I get a piece of everything. And this is where my sesame seeds come handy. If you want to pretty up your plate a little bit, you want to sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds. Toasted sesame seeds, of course. I bought my toasted and they will look like this. And let's see how it tastes. It's delicious. Of course, I knew it was going to be delicious because this is a staple in my house. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and also share with everybody you know. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.